Ever notice how a tiny movie action can sound massive? That's sound design doing the heavy lifting. A fist doesn't just hit. It gets layered with thuds, cracks, and low bass so it feels powerful. A door doesn't just close. It gets a sharp slam and a deep echo so it feels final. Here's the surprising part. A lot of those sounds are fake. Sound teams often mix together real recordings from completely different things. Leather straps, celery snaps, metal hits, even gravel can become a punch, a bone break, or a giant monster step. So the next time a movie feels intense, listen closely. The picture shows the action, but the sound makes your brain believe it.